Welcome back everyone to another episode. We are
at 3,000 โบกนะคะจังหวัดอุบลราชธานี
Yes, and this place has a secret. It has more than 3,000 potholes that are shaped like a Mickey Mouse. First time I heard this, I couldn't imagine what that means. I was like, you know the Mickey Mouse rock? I was like, Mickey Mouse rock? What does that mean? So today we're
gonna go find out.
Today we're gonna explore this place, and I'm pretty sure it's not well known amongst foreigners. I think you've never heard of this place before. That's also because we are at Ubon.
Ubon ราชธานี
Is at the border to Laos and Cambodia. Yeah, I think that's not many foreigners travel to this place.
And this place you can come just only like for some certain months because during the what you call raining season the water gonna come up and cover all this area too.
And then it's flooded, right?
And flooded. ไม่ใช่ flooded like the water level there over there as you can see it's raised up.
Okay.
Yeah, from the rain and everything for like 3 months during the raining season. So you can come just only like from พฤศจิกา November till now, which is like June. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so next we're gonna take the boat and explore.
3,000 โบกค่ะ
เดี๋ยวเอียงว้าวเบบี้ก็นั่งด้านนี้กับพ่อไงอยู่นั่งด้านนี้ใส่ชูชีพดีกว่าโอ้นี่ถ่าย safety first นะคะ
ปลอดภัย
because the water here is like 40 to 60 meter deep I mean even though the life jacket cannot help โอ้น่ากลัวโอ้ยระวังน้องดูชิวอ่ะออกขึ้นจากหัวเรือนี่มันก้าวขึ้นได้เลยระวังเชือกเลยพี่
Oh, sorry. Oh. Can you?
Baby you help she pull the boat ไหมจับไว้นะ
So we are at another stop that we have to come by the boat. It's called หินปะการังนะคะ The coral reef rocks which took around 200 to 250 million year formation. Yeah. Let's get a bit closer so I can show you what I mean. Like the formation like this. The tiny holes. Boop, 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 like this.
When the dry season comes around, the water level goes down and these amazing rocks with all the holes appear in the middle of the river. It's like a giant rock garden, all bumpy and uneven. You can really get lost in it. Because of all the holes, people call it Sam Phan Bok, which means 3,000 holes in Thai.
Dad fell down.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing happened, so that's why it's a bit funny right now. It's back.
Yeah, because like the rock can be slippery.
Yes.
You know, it's like what you call the green thing, the slippery thing.
But it happens
Yeah.
so fast. It's like
Fly on. Yeah.
Yeah, like I said, nothing happened. But
yeah, I suggest you to wear like
proper shoes.
you can see the water there.
Mm-hmm.
It's go like in circle in the clockwise. You see, ba? One go that way, another one go this way. So every time when it's like make the circle, is make the whole round shape.
Okay, but we haven't seen any Mickey Mouse.
But this one is the first picture spot.
And you swim here?
ได้แหละ I mean 3 to 4 meter deep
โอ้โห
ลงไปเล่นน้ำได้ไหมในนี้ จ ที่เขาห้ามเลยเหรอ
ใช่ค่ะตรงนี้เขาเชื่อว่าเป็นบ่อน้ำศักดิ์สิทธิ์ด้วยค่ะ
Okay, it's a sacred place,
Oh,
so we cannot swim.
This hole, as you can see, I'm on top and Sven is at the bottom นะคะ It used to be a water hole as well, but the water get through it, like circulation until it's all gone. The bottom is all gone, and now it's make a big hole.
I'm trapped in the. What did they call again?
3,000 โบก in the boat, in the hole.
So how do I get out of here?
Bye bye.
Climb or what?
Climb up here ดิ ไม่ยากนะ Wait until the water comes in. 3 months the water level gonna raise up.
Now I see you. I was trying to get you in the shot. Now I see you. Yeah, so I'm stuck. Yeah, you have to continue without me.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
The water level like raise up every year, 10 to 20 meter for 3-4 months, and then go down again.
I cannot imagine that right now.
Scary มากเลย I cannot think if I fall into that. อันนี้คือแม่โขง river นะคะ I forgot to mention. แม่โขง There's like from China passing Laos to Thailand and go out Vietnam.
In the intro, I said we have 3,000 Mickey Mouse holes, but not all look like Mickey Mouse. So we just have normal ones like this, and some of them look like a Mickey Mouse, but we haven't found it yet. So right now we have to use our imagination.
Yeah, some look like a heart. Some look like just, I would say, dinosaur feet. You just have to use your imagination to imagine pictures.
Yeah. So I hope we find the Mickey Mouse soon.
Yeah.
For example, this one I think looks a bit like a turtle. From my angle. You see, this is the head and this is the body.
I think it looks like a feet, like here. Yes, sir. Man.
Okay. So you can see many things, I guess.
Depend. And that over there is a heart. I do.
Where's the heart? Oh, this one, yeah. This one is a heart.
It's double heart, 2 hearts.
Two
The
hearts?
twinny hearts. You have to take from this angle, see, so it look like a heart. ระวัง
Oh, yeah. But I think this one
Yeah, this one is like
more
apple.
apple. This one is a heart, guy.
Apple. I don't have image for heart. ไม่ได้ heart มันต้องแบบ
Chip chips.
It's like apple.
This one is a heart. Jing jing.
There's better heart. I'll find for you.
Through the Grand Canyon. Not of Thailand, but of the Grand Canyon.
There are so many Grand Canyon in Thailand. So we call it Grand Canyon of 3,000 โบก Grand Canyon of อุบลราชธานีแล้วกัน Because there's like another Grand Canyon in Chiang Mai, Grand Canyon in Chonburi, and yeah, many places there claiming to be Grand Canyon.
So how is this one called again?
Grand Canyon in อุบลราชธานีแล้วกัน at 3,000 โบกค่ะ
Check out this rock. How does it stick there?
Stick there. I go down, push it.
Look at the color of the water.
I think this one is so deep. Like you cannot see the
And
bottom.
I don't know if you can see it right now, but there are fish in there. I just saw one, but now he's gone.
And here's our highlight นะคะ the Mickey Mouse pond. Here are the ears. And over there is the shape of the Mickey Mouse face.
We found the Mickey Mouse. I'm so happy that we did. There are many more
Shape
like
of
this.
the thing
Is
here.
that-
It's not only one because it's called 3,000 โบกนะคะ which means 3,000 of them. So as we mentioned, we have to use our imagination to imagine the shape of the water holes. But yeah, look at the background. There's still like huge place that you can explore in Thailand. It's super hot. So we walk for an hour and we are already like melting and burn. Look at Kun Benny's face, yeah. So red and burned already.
Yeah, maybe you should come in the early morning.
Yeah, that's maybe a better idea. But it's like almost 2 hours away from the อุบลราชธานี city นะคะ so plan it well.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode and see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.